What's up, YouTube? I am back. I apologize for being a little MIA for a little bit. I just kind of was getting lazy, wasn't filming much. But today, I'm actually going to one of my favorite events of the year, which is the annual HRE open house up in Vista. I love going to this event just because, aside from it being like a one-year thing, you know, once a year kind of thing, the amount of cars, sometimes you see celebrities that show up too, they bring their cars. You just see the craziest builds, not quite to the level of like a SEMA build, but some of the craziest cars that are out in the market. So I'm excited. I'm currently following Devin up there right now. He's in front of me, and we'll just kind of take a look around, and I can't wait to get up there. So we made it to HRE. It's just what I was expecting. It's packed right now. There's so many nice cars that are already parked out front, just lining the streets. Saw kind of what's already in the event, but like I said, that was just like the outside of it. So it's already pretty nuts. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen first because it never fails. Every year during the HRE open house, I get burnt. No matter even if it's not really bright or anything out, I just get fried. So put some sunscreen on. Got something that I don't know if a lot of people know, but I am putting the M3 up for sale. So this is going right there. Might reposition a little bit, maybe over here. So leave it there, and let's get started on watching the event. The only pain in the ass part about coming to this event is parking. We have to park like way out in the boonies just to find a spot, and we're not too far down, but we are gonna make a note. I'm not following where you tell me to go in a parking lot anymore.
You were lead.
No. This guy told us.
Nope. We
pull into a parking lot. He goes, all right, I think this wraps around. Let's just go down this way and we'll pop out the other end.
I didn't say anything.
Bullshit. So he told me to take the lead, and I keep going, and I knew it. I was right. It was a dead end. This guy's fault.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you. Thing's sick. Check it out, Devin, it's all gold. Oh, sick. We got a gold gang. Holy crap.
I sink finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills for so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go.
that's gonna wrap up this year's 2018 HRE open house. It was killer as usual. Didn't seem as big as it used to be, but it was still a lot of fun. And Matt Farah was here. He's always here as the announcer, does the raffles and everything. But that green Dodge Demon that was parked up front, that's actually Steve Goldberg's car. I didn't get a chance to see him, but a friend of mine pointed out that it was him and took a photo with him. So that was actually pretty cool to see that his car was out front. Loved all the 32 GTRs that were here. There's actually a blue one that just drove by me that's absolutely gorgeous. Love seeing the Koenigsegg. There's a couple different McLarens. And then the Bugatti Vision GT was beautiful. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. See ya.